So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream Level rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video fully charged up, and in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Rajasthan Royals and Royal Challengers Bengaluru using our beautiful team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will generate the Grand League winning teams using our software. So let's get started. So let's analyze the probable playing 11 for the today's match between Rajasthan Royals and Royal Challengers Bengaluru. The probable playing 11 from the RCB side will be Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patidar, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Washington Sundar, Shahzad Ahmed, Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj and Yuzvendra Chahal from RCB side. And from the RR side, Josh Butler, Manan Vahra, Sanju Samson, Shivam Dube, David Miller, Riyan Parag, Rahul Tewatia, Chris Morris, Shreyas Gopal, Chetan Sakaria and Mustafizur Rahman from the RR side. So let's analyze the top players from both the sides. From the RCB side, Virat Kohli, I think he missed out in the last match. I think definitely he will come back very strongly. I think he will score a big knock today. This is my prediction as far as I concerned. And Devdutt Padikkal, Glenn Maxwell is very good touch. AB de Villiers is obviously in very good touch, and Kyle Jamieson. And from the RR side, Josh Butler is very good touch, and Sanju Samson is in good form, but I am not sure about whether he will definitely play on today or not. I mean big knock. And David Miller is also in good touch. Chris Morris is also performing well, and Manan Vahra have been missed out to play well in the past matches, but I think if he plays today he will definitely will score good runs. I think so let's analyze the captain potential players in the point of view of our software. Let's analyze the captain potential players also. From the RCB side, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers can be considered as a captain players, and from the RR side, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson can be considered as a captain potential players in our software. So as well as the captain players, let's analyze the vice captain players also. So the vice captain players from the RCB side will be Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers and Kyle Jamieson, and from the RR side, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson, David Miller, Chris Morris and Manan Vahra can be considered as a vice captain players for the today's fantasy teams. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch, that means it will support both batting as well as bowling, and the average score will be 167 for the total average score will be 167. That means we can expect anything around 330 plus runs out of 40 overs. That means it is a balanced pitch. So let's analyze some specific points in the point of view of our team generator software in order to crack the Grand Leagues. So the first thing will be the credit range. It will be 99 to 100. So the credit range will be 99 to 100 is the ideal range for the today's match. As well as the team combinations, we can favor RCB here. RCB is in very good touch. That's why we can take 7 players from RCB, 4 players from RR, as well as 6 players from RCB and 5 players from RR. And let's analyze some of the important combinations of today's teams. So I think most probably these 3 will be the combinations for the dream team for the Grand League winning teams. So the first thing will be 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers, and 2 wicketkeeper, 3 bowler, 3 all-rounder and 3 batsmen from the and is also one other good one. And the third one is 3 wicketkeeper, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. These are the 3 things, 3 combinations, strategies that I feel they have the good probability to become the Grand League winning teams. So by using all the data that we have analyzed so far, let's use our team generator software in order to generate the Grand League teams. So let's jump into our software. This is how our software look like, and those who don't know about this software is advanced team generator software, and it uses a lot of technologies, lot of techniques and algorithms in order to generate the Grand League teams. And this software supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream 11, MPL, My Team 11 and My 11 Circle, etc. And so let's use this software, and those who have interest and those who want to know how this software work or how to get this software, I have provided you the contact details in the description box below as well as in the comment section below. You can check it out. And first of all, let me click on cricket here. After that, generate teams. After that, we need to choose the fantasy. Here Dream 11 is what we are choosing. After that, continue. and we need to choose the series. Here IPL is the series. After that continue, and we need to generate the team. Choose the type of generation. Here there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those beginners, that means who don't have much cricket knowledge. They just need to, in these 2 sections, they just need to select the players that are playing. Everything will be taken care by the software in order to generate the teams. And this is the third section that we are going to use today. This section is very powerful because we need to add some of our skills. At the same time, software will also add its skills in order to get even more better teams. So let's click on advanced generation section. So after that, we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. So the match is in between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Rajasthan Royals. After that, click on continue, and we need to enter the match number. You can give any match number, there is no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. So in order to store those teams, we need match number. We can give any match number. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. Let me click on continue. And after that, we need to choose that players. We need to select at least 6 players. That means we can select 11 from both the teams. That means total 22 also you can select. So let me quickly select all the players that I have given in the slides. Now these are the players that I have given in the slides. Let me quickly select these players. So these are the players from the RCB side. From the RR side, let me quickly select the players. Let me quickly select them. Another player, Mustafizur Rahman, and I think I missed out one, Shivan Dubey. And these are the players from RR side. So after that, we need to click on continue, and we need to select the fixed players. You can leave this section as it is, there is no problem at all, but whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be definitely there in every team. That means you need to be very sure if you want to select that player as a fixed player. That means I feel Virat Kohli will definitely play today. That's why I'm fixing him, as well as Josh Butler will also play definitely, in my opinion. That's why I am also fixing him. So after that, continue. And after that, we need to select the players you want to consider as captain selection. I have given you all the players that you can consider as captain in the slides. Let me quickly select the players that I feel they have the potential to become the captain. And from the RR side also, let me quickly select them. So after that, continue. And after that, we need to select the players we can consider for vice captain as well. Let me quickly select the players that I have given in the slides. These are the players. And also from RR side, let me quickly select them. So after that, continue, and it is asking us the team partition strategy. I have already given you the team partition strategy, that we are going to favor RCB today. RCB is team 1. That's why team 1 have to be more teams. That means more players. Here we are considering 7 players from RCB, 4 from RR, as well as 6 from RCB, 5 from RR. After that, continue. We need to give the credit range. I have already given you the credit range, which is 99 to 100 for today's match. Sorry. And so after that, select at least one strategy. We need to select at least one strategy. I have given 3 strategies in the slides. So those are the 3 strategies: 2 4 2 3, 2 3 2, 3 3, and 3 3 2 3. These are the 3 strategies that I have given. After that, continue. And we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate anything around 1 to 3,333, but 11 teams are completely fine, because we have used a lot of techniques, and at the same time, software also filter among a lot of teams. So 11 teams are completely fine. Let me quickly generate the teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream Level rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate. And I hope you guys like this video. Please, those who already bought this software, you can follow this video, and those who are new to this software, you can contact me in the description box below. I have provided the contact details. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead, like this video. If you don't like this video, that's no problem, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hot.